Thank you
Maybe
very
you
much.
can go to the second presentation, please.
Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Noor.
Okay, welcome.
Rastogi, Naveen Rastogi, my name is. So, can I call for the next presentation by Dr. Arif Nooriawan? So, we're talking on characteristics of liquid adhesive made of oil palm stem and their application for particle boards binding. So, Dr. Dr. Arif Nooriawan, please introduce in 2 lines about yourself. We just want to know whether you are a faculty or a student, and then you can start your lecture. Thank you.
Yep, Dr. Arif has co-host permissions. You can now unmute and share screen to start your presentation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Is the screen is okay?
Perfect.
Yes, very well seen.
Okay. Okay, thank you for the time for presenting my progress research with the title Characteristic of Liquefied Adhesive made of oil palm stem and their application for particle boards binding. I am Arif Nooriawan, lecturer staff from Department of Forest Product Technology, Faculty of Forestry, Universitas Sumatera Utara. Here, our team consisted of Hana Pratiwi Sihombing, my student, and my co-author, Dr. Iwan Risnasari. This is our typical liquefied adhesive from oil palm stem, and then this is typical particle board made of oil palm stem adhesive, and then also the raw material from oil palm stem particle. For introduction, palm oil, we have known that is the main yield of oil palm plantation, and economically large amount of revenue is gained through this commodity. And then nowadays, oil palm have been cultivated, and almost 80% of the world oil palm plantation is centered in Southeast Asia, including Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. We can see in table 1 here, in our country, Indonesia, we have almost 50% of the oil palm plantation in the world. And then oil palm stem residue in Indonesia and also in Malaysia is abundant due to replanting activity. Unfortunately, optimization of its utilization is still limited because in solid form, when we cut the trunk and then we saw and then we get the solid form, oil palm stem show many drawbacks, such as dimensional instability, not durable, and also very high moisture content. And in previous research, the oil palm stem is consisted to parenchyma and vascular bundle. And here we scan using SEM, we can see the image of vascular bundle. And in this work, in this study, oil palm stem was used as adhesive as well as raw material of particle board. So we remove this one, parenchyma, and then we use this one, vascular bundle. In previous work, we use vascular bundle for composite plastic and for OSB, oriented strand board. And in this work, we made adhesive by liquefaction, by thermochemical reaction, and then it can yield biocopolymer for coating foam, including adhesive. This is our focus. What is liquefaction? Liquefaction is a method for converting whole biomass into liquid to broad range of value-added product, such as fine chemical, biofuel, or green polymeric material, including here adhesive. And then there are many methods for conversion, and then this is called biorefinery. And then we use this one, liquefaction, using thermochemical method. And then for this work, liquefaction of vascular bundle in previous study, in previous preliminary work is feasible. And then vascular bundle is one of lignocellulose material comprises of 22% lignin. And then previous report, virgin and waste lignocellulose material have been successfully converted into wood adhesive. This is, for example, lignocellulose material, virgin type. And then this is, for example, for waste type. And then we add vascular bundle from oil palm trunk. So objective of this study, because this work is the first attempt on utilization of vascular bundle as raw material for making wood adhesive, including raw material of particle board, the study then discussed the preparation, processing, as well as the characteristic of resulted liquefied adhesive and its application for particle board binding. Method: first, preparation of the material. We separate between vascular bundle and the parenchyma. Manually, we use planer machine. And then resulted particles were immersed in order to remove the parenchyma. And then we shift the vascular bundle. And then for the production of liquefied adhesive, we mix about 100 gram vascular bundle with the moisture content about 5%, with 25 milliliter acid, sulfate acid, 98%, and 5% phenol. And then after 24 hours, we add 500 milliliter phenol and add also sodium hydroxide 40% until the pH 8 or base alkaline. And then we add formaldehyde 37% with the ratio 1 to 1.2. And then we filter, and the extract was heated at 90 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. And then the next stage is the determination of the basic properties of liquefied adhesive according to Indonesian standard SNI 064567-1998 for phenol formaldehyde resin. So we compare to phenol formaldehyde resin on the its performance, specific gravity, solid content, viscosity, pH, gelatin time, and free formaldehyde. And then we move to next stage, application for making particle board, because the extract that we got from the liquefied adhesive is very viscous. So we add the thinner with ratio 1 to 1, because this is very viscous. And then after we mix, it can be put in nozzle, spray gun, so we can spray on wood particle to make a particle board. And then for evaluation, we refer to JIS, Japanese Industrial Standard A5908, and also Indonesian standard for quality of particle board. In this work, we made for comparison three treatment: A, 100% particle of oil palm stem; B, 50-50 particle of oil palm stem and Japan wood. We mix between oil palm stem and Japan wood, and then C, 100% wood, Japan wood. And then we evaluate the physical and mechanical properties, including we add the analysis of statistics using analysis of variance, just one factor, raw material, this one, IBC, and continuing with Duncan test. This is the result for yield, 21%, and then this is when we compare to the other study using wood, still low, because of difference of solvent used. In this study we use phenol, and then in other study using glycerol and ethylene glycol, and the very viscous, therefore it was only suitable for making glue line in plywood. So in this study, because we make particle board, so we need to mix with the thinner or solvent to make lower viscosity. Here the typical performance of our liquid adhesive: color brown blackish, and then about the dust, nothing, granule or dust is nothing after we sieve. And then specific gravity is high, sink down in the water about 1.26, and when we compare with the other raw material, for example hardwood, relative the same, yeah, hardwood, softwood, relative the same, but when we compare with the bamboo and mix with rubber wood, bamboo mixed rubber wood relatively smaller than our liquid-fired adhesive.
Sorry, Dr. Arif,
And-
we need 3 minutes to finish your presentation, please.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Excellent.
For
Good work.
solid content is relatively higher, 86%, and then for viscosity, as I mentioned before, is too viscous, so we mix with commercial thinner, and the pH is alkaline, and then gel time more than 1 hour, 98 minutes. And then the free formaldehyde was not detected. And this is the result of particle board. All of density met the standard, is classified as medium density particle board. This is the typical particle board, and then this is the number or the value of density. This is the value of moisture content, and then this is when we make evaluation of the moisture content properties, but statistically is different between the mixture and the homogeneous particle. And then this is water absorption, and thickness swelling is relatively higher. Internal bonding is failed because the standard required 1.50. Here we can just 1.0 kilogram force per centimeter square. And for modulus of elasticity and modulus of rupture, for modulus elasticity is fulfill standard because the requirement just 20,000 kilogram per centimeter square, and our product met or over the standard. So for the conclusion, liquefied adhesive made of vascular bundle oil palm stem has been successfully synthesized. Properties of this adhesive generally fulfill the standard, excluding the viscosity. Therefore, we mixed with the commercial solvent for proper spraying for manufacturing particle board. And then wood adhesive based on liquefied biomass made of vascular bundle of oil palm stem can be utilized as binder of particle board made of 3 kinds of particle: oil palm stem particle, Japan wood, or the mixture. Thank you. For acknowledgement, this is the preliminary research financially supported by our university, Universitas Sumatera Utara, through scheme of world-class university. And then I also thanks to Prof. Valerio from University di Padova, Italy as a partner research. And then Mrs. Harisah Manurung as young researcher to conduct this research. Thank you.